What's up YouTube? It's Funny Map Guy here. So today I'm doing a review. So before I start, I want to say that I've now got my new phone. It's a Alcatel One Touch smartphone 2, I think, from T-Mobile. Just got it today. So I'm making my first video on it and uploading it. So yeah. So anyway, I'm doing a review of Flamin hot Cheetos. So I know this is in a small bag, but I got this from the vending machine for $1.25, so that's why it's in the small bags. If I got it from like my gas station, it would have been in the big bags, but this one's just in the small bag. But you know, just a nice snack and stuff. So yeah, got some Gatorade too. So yeah, I've had Flamin hot Cheetos before, but decided to do a review. Got this at the vending machine after I was at camp. So yeah, and I think the video quality on my new phone is good. I'll watch it after this. So yeah, so Flamin hot Cheetos. This is a 2-ounce bag. So see what I get. Alright, so here's one. It's dark red. Smells like Cheetos actually. Just like hot and red sizzle and hot peppers. So let's give it a taste in 3, 2, 1. It's kicking. Yeah. Let's drink some Gatorade. Nice and refreshing. And try it's a bigger one. That's my fingers all red. Yeah. So, what I think about these is I think they're actually pretty good. They have a nice heat flavor. Even though they are hot. Like if you take a break from them, they start to swallow. Since, you know, just have heat. But then, sometimes like, I'm used to the heat. And sometimes if I eat these too much, then I don't like them. But since, I mean, they're probably one of my favorite Cheetos. I like them quite a bit. I'm going to give them about an 8 out of 10. Solid. So yeah, I'm going to try one more. Yep, they're good. My first favorite Cheetos are just the original. This is probably like my second or third favorite. So, anyway, thanks for watching, and hope you like the new phone quality. So, peace out.